How to create feature forms with OnPOZ Cloud. A form is used on the field to collect features along with specific attributes. With the Forms menu, you can create many new forms or import existing ones. In this video, we will create a form with Create New Form. Our first form will allow to collect tree features. The geometry for a tree is a point for which you can define a symbol. To display and export the coordinates, you can use your specific country reference system. The mapping system available are the ones uploaded with Settings Mapping Systems menu. If you are looking for mean sea level or orthometric heights, you must use a GeoID model. You can add your country-specific GeoID model to the drop list with Settings, GeoID Model menu. Accuracy can be increased by collecting more than one reading. In order to collect fewer readings for a point, select the average GNSS position and specify the number of seconds needed to record the feature geometry. Once the settings are made for the form, we can configure attributes. Simply select the type of attribute and drag and drop it in the right pane. Let's use a simple text attribute to enter a tree ID. Another attribute, tree type, will be a user-defined boolean. Two choices. As you can see, a few validations are available for each attribute to avoid data capture errors. Let's create conditional blocks to specify the tree species. If the tree type is conifer, then the attributes under the green block will be displayed. Otherwise, the attributes of the red block will be displayed. In the green block, we will add the conifer species list of values. If the list is extensive, you can copy and paste it. In the red block, we will add the leaf species. In the conifer and leaves species values, one of the value is other. So we will create another conditional block to specify the species if the value other is selected for either conifer or leaves. If the species other is selected, we want the user to enter a text attribute to name the species. Moreover, we can require a picture that may be used later to validate the species name entered. You may add many other attributes for a tree. For example, diameter and height. For the form presentation, you can add headers to the form. As an example, headers can be used to group some attributes. After doing all your attributes, you may modify the color of the feature symbol and make it conditional to an attribute value. In this example, if the tree is conifer, it will be dark green. Otherwise, it will be light green. This is especially useful for inspection operations, where you preload from a shapefile data to inspect. The feature can be a color before it is inspected, and it turns a different color after inspection. Coloring the symbol in such way may avoid two users in the same area to inspect the same feature. Once all your attributes are created, you can save the form as a draft or publish it. A form needs to be published to be available to field users. On the field, user can collect many different features through specific forms within the same project. So let's create another form, a bike path feature. A feature geometry can be a point, line, or polygon. The line and polygon geometries have similar settings. In this example, the bike path will be a line geometry. The line GNSS vertices may be entered manually by the user or automatically at a specific interval. A feature can be saved and published with or without attributes. In this example, I will add a metadata attribute. Most metadata are automatically populated by the system. The new form created can be saved as a form template. You can also import predefined form template. For example, I will import a viewpoint form template. When importing a form template, it can be modified to your liking before it is published. Forms can also be created from existing shapefile. Another video provides more detail on this functionality. Now that few forms are created, it can be added to specific projects, so the field crew can start collecting data. If you need help to use OnPOZ Connect and Cloud, watch our other videos or contact us.